Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Fidelity Cash Account withdrawal error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I am on the official Fidelity website, so you can try all of these troubleshooting steps and see if it fixes your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can contact their customer support on this phone number right here, or alternatively you can just chat with a representative on their website. So just click on chat with a representative like this, and it will take you to this page, and you can just talk to them on live chat, or you can just call them or email them. So yeah guys, this is how you fix your problem, and they will take about 24 to 48 hours to fix your problem. And that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.